Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this stylish mini hatch 1.21 auto 3-door. Now this vehicle has currently done 20,501 miles and it's finished in the colour British Racing Green. It's a very classic looking Mini and it comes with some great optional extras. It does sit nicely on 15-inch alloy wheels. You do have daytime running lights that complement the vehicle all throughout the day. You do have power folding door mirrors which you can fold in holding the lock button, and they automatically unfold when you unlock the vehicle. You do have rear parking sensors to make reversing much easier. Taking a look in the boot here, you'll find 211 litres of space. It can be increased to 731 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear here, you do have two rear seats. Both of them have ISOFIX points, so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat, so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable. You also have the optional extra armrest here so you can travel comfortably. Here in the instrument cluster you'll find your display where you've got access to different driving data such as your average fuel consumption, average speed and digital speedometer. In the centre of the dashboard here you have your radio. On the system here you've got access to DAB, FM and AM radio. Alternatively you can connect your own source of audio in the multimedia section. You've got USB and auxiliary input. Here in the telephone menu, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're driving. The system also has your vehicle information here. You've got your onboard computer as well as your vehicle status, where you can see the engine oil level, tyre pressure monitor, and even the vehicle's service requirements, as well as recorded service history. You do have some additional services here like your mobile care hotline and your service partner. You also have some settings here for the vehicle and system. Throughout the interior you have the fabulous ambient lighting with a whole selection of colours to choose from. You've got lighting here surrounding the radio as well. Below you have your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have your heated front windscreen, your start stop switch there. Down below you have your 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary input, two cup holders and your automatic gear selector. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.